we have great schools in Watervliet that we want to continue to make sure that the infrastructure is there and they continue to flourish in the years to come and provide them with all those unique opportunities. So we're at a good place financially for us to go out to do a capital project in the mid $20 million range that is going to be no impact to the taxpayers.
This building, the elementary building, has over 760 students. We're busting at the seams and we just don't have enough room to be able to have our students spread out, be with teachers, be with the right service providers. So a capital project like this really gives us an opportunity to be able to reconfigure some of the areas. You know, it sounds silly, but our drop-off and arrival is really congested. It is controlled chaos.
When I'm leaving, it's like crowded, and it's like a lot of people.
This project is going to help us be able to just be a little bit more arranged so that parents can get in and out of our parking lots. Kids are going to be a lot safer and also be able to present maybe a little bit more of a favorable look.
We're looking at additional classrooms to support our early learners, UPK classrooms that we have the opportunity to bring back into district.
Younger learners, once they begin, it lays a whole foundation for learning for the rest of their career and in school. They gain more skills and confidence, and they're curious, and it just really benefits their school journey.
Students are our future in Watervliet. All of my children, when they went to school here, had the chance to be educated in a new wing, to experience the new technology that was happening, to actually go into a library that was beautiful with books and brand new tables and chairs and all of that technology. So when they left here to go to high school, they were well prepared because they had those experiences. My grandson is now going to school here and is just enjoying all of the opportunities that he has. And it's so exciting to see that there could be a new playground for him. There could be a multi-purpose room where he could go. So as a parent, I think it's wonderful because we are giving our students what they need so they can have a well-rounded education.
We are supporting a wide range of students as we get to talk about Portrait of a Graduate and what's to come in New York State education in the next few years. And we need to look ahead at what we are doing to get our students ready for those opportunities.
We have 825 kids in this building, more than ever before, and we need to make sure that every square inch is used as efficiently as possible. Just having the ability to maneuver some things around and having the play and the flexibility that we've never had.
Moving off the library, I feel like that'll be really helpful when it rains outside, yeah.
Because that was a big one. Like 6th and 7th grade, because there was a lot of snow.
I think it'll help kids better access it because time between classes, it'll be easier to reach it.
The library can help everybody because touching up on reading is good, and it's a skill that you need in life.
I think that by expanding our classroom options on the 3rd floor, it's going to give an opportunity to increase the number of classes we offer for FACS, which is our food and nutrition courses. Our students are doing well with what they're offered right now. However, I'm excited to see what they can come up with when they have a high-functioning kitchen, something they would see in a restaurant.
With the mandate of going to electric buses in the very near future, we've realized that our current bus garage is not capable of that. So we need to take a look at what that location looks like and look at either updating our current bus garage or building a new bus garage. If you're a resident in Watervliet, you know that the parking lot gets filled up pretty quickly and you got to park on the street. So we're trying to look out and see if we can maximize any more space in those parking spots so that more people can park and not have to walk so far.
Our gym is not just used for phys ed classes, practices, games. We hold our graduation there. There's lots of community events there.
The track is like really rough. It's like horrible to run on. And if you fall, you're gonna get hurt. Yeah.
It's really rough and hard, and it doesn't cushion like normal tracks do.
We do have a growing track and field program here, and we want to be able to, to provide our kids with a safe environment. We want to be able to host home meets, to have invitationals.
I play sports, so the locker rooms would definitely help me.
The locker rooms in the wrestling room, they're all packed into like a small room, And so when we're all trying to get to our lockers, we're like elbow to elbow.
I just think that, you know, a facelift helps to kind of reinvigorate programs and, you know, develop some pride in what we have here at Watervliet.
I think more people will at least have energy to get up in the morning to come with these changes because it'll make it better.
I'm noticing my attendance going up. I'm noticing kids more engaged. And that just tells me if we move forward with this, it's probably just going to get better.